Hi everyone, it's Claire from Ace English. Today we're looking at two important modal verbs, can and do. These are small words, but they're used all the time in English. In this lesson, I'll show you how to use can for ability and possibility, and how do helps us make questions and negative sentences. By the end, you will be more confident in using them in everyday conversation. Let's get started. So, what are modal verbs? Modal verbs simply are helper verbs to help verbs in a sentence. Can be used in two ways. Firstly, we use can to show what we are able or not able to do. Can also helps us to ask for and give permission to somebody. Do can also be used in two ways. Do is used as a helper in questions, and do also helps us to make negative sentences. So let's look at can more closely. Can or can't shows us what we are able or not able to do. For example, I can play the guitar. I am able to play the guitar. She can't make pancakes. She is not able to make pancakes. Can is also used for asking and giving permission. Can I play with my friends? You can go to the cinema when you tidy your bedroom. Let's look at do more closely. Do or don't has two usage. Do you like sushi? Does she study English? It can be used to help make questions. We use does for subject-verb agreement. So if you use he, she, or it, you use does. If you use the subject I, you, we, they, you use do. Do can also be used in negative sentences. I don't enjoy playing sport. Don't use do in positive sentences. So let's review. Can and do are our important modal verbs. Can is used for ability and permission. Do is used for questions and negative sentences. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped. If you'd like to keep learning with me, you can join the Ace English Club, where we have weekly Zoom classes, mini courses, and lots of listening, speaking, reading, and writing practice. The link's in the description and the pinned comments if you want to check it out. See you next time.